Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, just days before the second phase of the fare increase was to take effect, the Ministry of Transport says it will be delayed. Minister Darrell Vaz revealed that an agreement was struck with operators earlier this week.
I can confirm that I met with the transport operators on Thursday with the Minister of Finance, and we were able to arrive at a conclusion to defer the increase of the 16% that's due to transport operators on the 1st of April.
Last year, Cabinet approved a 35% fare increase for public transport operators. The increase was to take effect in two phases, 19% on October 15 and 16% on April 1. But now, Minister Vaz says if the planned increases go ahead, it would spell trouble not only for the commuting public, but also on inflation. He says the government is looking at other ways that transport operators can get some relief in the absence of the increase.
We will be meeting with them. I've given them an undertaking to work with them to see what other areas I can cushion the impact of the deferral. But I want to congratulate and to really pay my respects to the responsible decision that was arrived at between the government and the transport operators.
Do you know that?